Hi everyone, welcome you all. Today we are going to learn what is IDE and how to use one of the best IDE for Python. Okay, so first of all, let us understand what is IDE. An integrated development environment is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. An IDE normally consists of a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. Some modern IDE also provide features like intelligent code completion, unit testing, and RAD tools to design interfaces. We will learn these features as we progress in our journey. Okay, so now for Python, we have very famous IDEs like Pycharm, Anaconda, Atom, and there is a long list. And in which ideally we are working, that was a default IDE in a default Python installation. It is very basic and you cannot go very far with that IDE. You need a sophisticated tool like Pycharm. So today we are going to discuss how to get this Pycharm and how to use this. Okay, so first of all, go ahead to your browser and search for Pycharm and you will find jetbrains.com. Here click on the link or you can go to the download, but I am going to go for this Pycharm, the IDE for professional developers by JetBrains. Okay, so here is my download page. You can click on download. Okay, if you click on it, now it will provide you two options, that is professional and community, and it will also provide you your operating system. In my case it is Windows and I'm going to use a free open source. Okay, you have to use a community. Okay, you should not be using professional because it is a trial version and will cost you after some time. So go ahead and click on this. Okay, if you click on it, if you click on the link, and you will be transferred to this page, and there will be a dialog called save as. Okay, it is of 268, so obviously when your internet speed is good you can download it. Now this file is downloaded. Now you can double click on it so that it can be installed, and I am going to minimize the browser. Now you can see this widget has been started. Now you can just click on next. Okay, this is the location where Pycharm will be installed. You can change this according to your specification or your wish. Okay, you can see Pycharm community edition. Now I'm going to click on next, and then you, in this screen you are going to see two options, that is 32-bit launcher or 64-bit launcher. I'm going to select 64-bit launcher and create associations. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I don't want all the Python file are associated with Pycharm. Okay, I'm going to leave it alone, and then I will see, then I will check this option. You can skip it. Okay, now click on next, and then I'm going to click on install button. Okay, so this will start installing. You have to wait. Now this installation is complete. Now you can click on, okay, now you can check this button so that if you click on finish, this will start Pycharm that I want. For the first time when Pycharm will start, it will ask you a question about whether you want to import settings or not. Okay, since we haven't installed any Pycharm earlier, so the second later option is for us, do not import settings. Just click on OK. Then you will see a new license policies or privacy policies. You just click on accept, and then you will see another window which says whether you want to share your experiences or you want to report. Just click on don't send, and then you will see a screen which says which UI theme you want, and I'm going to select Intel J screen, which is more appropriate for coding, and this is lighter one. This will not give you a strain in your eyes, so I'm going to choose Intel J and just click on next. Okay, and here you are going to see some of the feature what you want to install or what are the plugins you want to store. I just want to click start. Now Pycharm will start, and this will give you a welcome screen where you can create a project. I'm just going to create a project. Okay, now here you can specify the title of the project. I'm going to specify hello here. Okay, hello world will be my project name for now, and just click on create. Okay, now you can see my Pycharms is started. Now you can see my tip of the day. I'm just going to click on OK, close. Now you can learn little features in this. Once you have created a project, then you can right click on the project name and go to the new, click on Python file. Okay, I'm going to give a very simple name. It will be called, let's say, first.py. Okay, I am not going to write a py because Python will do it for me. Just click on it and your file is created. Now as soon as I type p and see, IntelliSense is displayed. Okay, now this will give you some of the popular or frequently used commands starting with p. Okay, now you can see what I'm going to type. Here is the second option. You can either double click on it or use your arrow key to navigate or highlight that command. And now at this position, if you press enter in your keyboard, it will type it. Okay, it will not only type it, it will add parentheses. Okay, now if I click on a double quotes or a single quotes only one time, Pycharm will already add a opposite single quote. Okay, this is an additional feature, and so basically it will make your life little bit more easy. Okay, and now I'm going to type hello world. Okay, and now I'm going to compile it. Okay, so go to the run, click on run, alt shift F10. Okay, try not to give a name ABC. Okay, because it has a conflict, so try to give some other name other than ABC. Now here I have first click on it, and you will notice my program is executed. Okay, at this point, now what you need to do to go to the workspace again, you just need to press escape key. This will take your focus to the working space. Okay, so now from here, if you want to jump to your project or working directory, what you can do is you can simply press alt F1. Okay, this will shift your focus to your project window. You can see one here and it is being underlined. Okay, now similarly, if you want to move to the run, you just have to press alt 4. Okay, you can see my run window is highlighted. Similarly, if you want to go to the to do task, okay, you can see 6 is highlighted. Just press shift 6, and if you want to directly move to the workspace, you just have to press escape key. Okay, you can see my focus is now in my workspace or in my file. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to define a variable. Let's say a is equals to 10, and if I press comma, it will suggest me a variable. Okay, let's say a. Now you can see my first option is a, right? Let's say I have a name called int underscore mark, or you can say mark underscore int is equals to, let's say, 90. Now I want to print it here, so if I type m, you can see mark int is suggested, and if I press enter, okay, fantastic, I don't have to type much, right? So these are some of the features. Now what you can do, you can press Ctrl Shift F10 to execute it. Okay, see my file is executed. You don't have to even take your hand out from the keyboard. So these are some of the facilities which are provided by Pycharm or any other IDEs. Now one more feature I want to show you, which I really use frequently, is to type comments or to make things comment. For example, I do not need this A and I want to make it as a comment. So what I need to do, go to the home and then press hash. Okay, so this is one way of doing it, but in Pycharm what I can do, I can simply press control slash. Okay, this will make one line as a comment. If I select two lines and press control slash, you can see all the highlighted lines are converted to comments. Similarly, if I press it again, it will toggle it or it will uncomment it. So this command work as toggle. Okay, so these are some of the feature which we will be using. And one more thing, you can see here A is highlighted or underlined with red. That means there is some problem. If I hover on this error, it shows me unresolved reference A. Okay, so my Pycharm is already telling me that this A variable is going to cause you a trouble. Okay, or you can see Pycharm is not able to resolve this A. Okay, because I have commented it. Okay, let's uncomment it. So that is all for today. Hope you have enjoyed today's session and learned how to install Pycharm in your system, create a project in Pycharm, and create a simple program and execute it. And also you have learned some of the keyboard shortcuts which you will be using frequently in your programming sessions, right? So see you for today, and we will meet very soon with the new topic. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.